Hello, family. Welcome to today's live market session. This is a London session. Nice to see you again today. I hope you are doing well. So, now we'll be looking at various pairs in the market. But first, I want you to know this. We've recently joined a demo contest on Hot Forex markets and we'll be participating to win. Okay, so if you want to get in on this, go down to my description, click on the link and join the contest and we'll trade together. Okay, so currently we have taken profit on British pound, USD, and we'll be looking for more trades in this London session. So for the sake of a better understanding, let me share my thought process behind this trade right here. So we can see on the 4-hour time frame we saw a relatively equal high, double top sort of, and the market drops. So we can see that the higher the confirmation on higher time frame, the higher or the more volatility, or the more likely the market is going to drop hard or go higher. So on the 1-hour time frame, there was a reversal pattern there. I was anticipating a bit of a pullback because we've taken liquidity here, right? Sell side liquidity, 1-hour reversal pattern, and the market took off. So on the 30 minutes time frame, we saw that double bottom, a draw on liquidity right here, and the market taking off. So I sought to get a buy right here, anticipating a retracement, but we didn't get it. So I went down to the 5-minute charts. I saw a bit of sellers trying to sell in this market, but we're not very strong as I hoped. So on the 1-minute time frame, we saw that there was a break of structure. Even on the 1-minute time frame, we can do a little bit of structural analysis here, and we saw that there was a break of structure right there. So my eye was keen on this pair, but then we saw it come down, did a double bottom, and then took off to the upside. All right, so after this break of structure right there, I took a buy, but I saw it late, so my buy was around this high, and stop loss was very wide, and this is where we were looking for. So our take profit point was from the 1-hour time frame perspective. There is an order block right there, a fake out zone. There is a gap right there, fair value gap right there. So that is where we're looking to take our profit. Even though it hasn't hit it yet, when I saw it trying to make a double top, I just said no, I'm gonna go out of this market, even though I'm anticipating it might go higher. So that was my thought process behind the British pound USD. Now let's look at another market. So this is the USDCAD, currently in a consolidation phase. So we can see consolidating on the 5-minute time frame, and there's a bit of break of structure right there. All right, so I got trapped right here because we saw a break of structure, was anticipating it going a bit inside and then sell, but right now we can see that the market has turned on its head and it's buying. So forget about this candle right there, because this is a fake out candle. It's a reversal pattern. So we are going to pretend like this pattern does not exist. So we are focusing on this zones, because we can see there is heavy resistance. When the market comes here, we see resistance, wait, then goes down. So we are seeing that it is trading within this frame. So right now the market is buying. Let's see whether we can get something on this. Something on this. So right now it's taking off. Let's see where our potential take profit point might be. High right there. Imbalance right here. But I'm not going to be looking for TPs over here. The reason being that the pattern is formed on the 5 minutes time frame, so I'm not expecting much of a push to the upside. Just something little. So if you get stopped out again, I'm not trading this. Spread. That's just by the way, because it means that the market is really out to get us. You know what I'm saying? So we see that 1 minute, 3 minutes reversal candlestick. We're anticipating a bit of sell side to give us a discount for us to take our buys. So on the 1 minute time frame, now where do we buy? We can take it from this high, but I'd like to see market go in a bit more. To the downside, then we might look for potential buys. Okay. So guys, where do we buy? Where should we put our buy? We're seeing rejection right there. There was a bit of a rejection right here. There's a volume imbalance right there. That's a good zone to buy, but I'm still trying to be careful because the card has high spread. So we might miss this and it might continue to the upside. Who cares? We're just gonna leave it and let it run. So this is the candle that broke structure, and then we saw a bit of a movement to the downside. So this is where our entry should have been focused on. We are a bit too late in this market. I do not want to enter this market right now because we are a bit late. So there's a bit of rejection right there. Another one here. It shows that the market is in a consolidation phase. So whenever you see this happen, it moves to the upside. Sellers pull back heavily, moves to the downside, and we see that buyers come back in. It means it's in a consolidation phase. So we're going to be focused on the 1 minute time frame. We've seen that break in structure and the market is just going to the upside. Unfortunately, we didn't get that discount we're hoping for. But let's see what the market might give it to us right now after this later consolidation phase. And then we'll take our buys. Patience is key. Patience. So this is a good discount. A good place to buy. Now because of the spread, how big the spread is, more than 5 pips on my USDCAD. I'm not really keen on taking this trade, but let's take a look and see. It's all part of the demo contest anyway. Just look at how big that spread is. It's not worth it, guys. So for those of you watching the stream, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. This is the Pip Greatest, and basically we are here to give you high quality market setups and scenarios to get good trades in the market. So let's see how this plays out. I want to keep my stop loss wide. Yeah, we don't want any nonsense, you know what I'm saying? So let's look at another. So currently we can see that the British pound is accumulating. So in essence, on our 1 minute time frame, we can see that it broke structure right there. Nope. Okay, so you can see that break of structure in the market is in an accumulation phase. It means that the market dynamic has just changed. That is what I'm trying to say. So right now on a 3 minutes time frame, we are seeing that double top. 5 minutes, we're seeing it again. It's accumulating. So like I said, rejection on the downside, rejection on the upside. Essentially it's telling you that the market is in a bit of a fuss. It's consolidating, you know what I'm saying? So now we just have to wait to see the next direction the market wants to go, and we capitalize on that quickly. We catch it. That's how we do it, people. Patience is key. So we just have to wait for USDCAD. Sorry, the British pound USD. So another pair. Gold. How is gold doing? Now let's take a quick look at gold from the higher time frame perspective. So we are seeing a 4 hour reversal candle right there. This could be huge, and we might see a bit of a pullback that we can capitalize on. But yeah, we're gonna stay optimistic. We're gonna stay optimistic in this. Come what may. So we're seeing a bit of a consolidation right there. Looks like a double bottom is forming. So we are gonna wait and see what happens. This is a 30 minutes time frame. If we get that confirmation, I'll be looking for take profit around this zone. If not, let me see. So the 45 minutes time frame. Let's see. We're seeing a bit so much heavy rejection here. Let's go to a lower time frame and see whether we see anything juicy. So it looks like the market is predisposed to go up. Okay. So under 15 minutes time frame, nothing exciting. So on the 5 minutes time frame, you can essentially draw a trend line, and we are seeing that right there. So we're gonna wait for the market to break structure, right? And we'll see where the market is headed potentially. So we have to wait. That's the only thing we can do right now. Wait, sit and wait. Something exciting. British pound still accumulating. Still accumulating. For those of you who don't know, I sing a bit. just a bit. British pound still accumulating, so we're gonna wait. Let's see how USD CAD is doing, and it looks like it's gonna fall on us. I hope it doesn't, even though I didn't take this trade. Oh, come on. That is really, really bad. What did we miss here? What did we miss here? What did we miss here? Okay. Took out liquidity and then retraced. Makes sense. I think it's coming for. It's gonna continue its trend. No, that's a break. That's a break of structure right there. That's a massive break of structure right there. So this is the actual zone we're looking for to place our buy. But then we saw the accumulation and we felt the market is taking off. Joined and we are seeing a sharp pullback right there. Let's just hope our hypothetical TP, nope, our hypothetical stop loss is not hit. Okay, what did we miss? What did we miss? Higher time frame. What did we miss? Okay. Come what may, we still in it. Let's see what happens next. Gold. We have to wait. Nothing exciting yet. So that's essentially it. The US30 is still bullish on the 1 minute chart. Let's see what's going on higher time frame. Okay. There's a fake out. Forget it's even there. So essentially the market is still moving this way. Okay. Not really exciting here. It looks very bullish. Looks extremely bullish. So we can see on the weekly that double bottom, and the market is just going right to break that structure, and you might see potential movement, more movement to the upside on the US stage. It's the same thing that has happened with Tesla. It's the same thing that has happened with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is bullish right now. You might see more move to the upside if only this candle holds. We don't see anything like a reversal or anything. If this candle holds, we're seeing Tesla going back up to probably that 400 price point. So that is it, guys. Nothing interesting at the moment. We just have to wait to see what gold does. No new trades. Okay, so British pound looks like it wants to break structure on the 5 minutes time frame. So we can see in essence that is a break of structure right there. And we can take our sell. Let's go for it. Let's go. British pound. We're not rushing it, are we? Nope. I don't think so. Maybe we rush just a bit. Just kidding. So now you can see that's the break of structure we're looking for. And yeah, so we are selling because of the spread to be right there. It might even be here because of the spread. So hey, just a reminder, this is no financial advice. So the market can eventually turn on its head and move to the upside, but as long as we're able to catch that move and cut our losses short, we'll be okay. Where did my just disappear to? What just happened? So yeah, that is it. So right now let's focus on our take and stop loss and take profit. Had no business falling in love with you. So right now, where should we be aiming for? So in essence, it depends on how your perspective or what your perspective is on this market. Some will say this was the last push to the upside, took our liquidity, came, broke that structure. So from the last push, that is where we're gonna anchor ourselves. So you can see that the market goes in there. It may even go all the way and then drop down or go up, whatever. So we can actively see that this was a fake out zone, a reversal pattern, fake out zone right there to the top side. So it gives us more confidence that the market is likely to go lower and lower to where. So this is on a 5 minutes time frame. In essence, we see clearly on the 5 minutes time frame, that is that break, and we are selling on the 5 minutes time frame. So on the 5 minutes time frame, I think my stop loss should be a bit higher, right? I think it looks better now. So on the 5 minutes time frame, that's a low on the 5 minutes, another low, this not so much. So let's see what happens. I just hope this is not another reversal candle that is gonna engulf this bearish candle right there, but who knows? And people, kindly let us know from which part of the world you are watching this stream. It really goes a long way in pushing us to do more, to reach out to you wherever you are, in whatever parts of the world. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Alright, so it's looking sketchy, but whatever. Same thing here. Come and tell me the truth. Do I matter to you? Same thing here. So it looks like the USDCAD is falling on us. Yep. After that break of structure, we see it come back there. We should have come back. Anyway, I'm not actively in this trade anyway. So you could have just broken even right there. After you saw this kind of maneuver the market pulled on us, you could have broken even right there and just leave it and to see what the market does next. It's not looking pretty right now. So we are actively in the British pound USD, and let's see what the market is doing. Okay, it looks like it's heading to the upside. If it is, we gonna capitalize on that. No troll left behind. We're not leaving anything behind, guys. We are gonna capitalize on that if the market wants to take us higher. We got our eyes peeled. You know what I'm saying? Gold. Let's see what gold is. Gold is still nothing excited on gold. Nothing exciting on gold. Nothing exciting on gold.
Thank you for the days. Thank you for the ups and the downs. Thank you for the ways you keep your loving around. 'Cause I can't stop thinking about the sweet, sweet melodies that you sing.
So we're gonna wait and see what is gonna happen with the British pound, and then we move on from there. So stay tuned, enjoy the music while we wait.
And you're on mine. I'm on your mind. And you're on mine. Love the way you care for me. I know you will never leave. Fear leaves with every word you speak. With you by my side, how could I lose? 'Cause I can't stop thinking